How much do an automatic car wash machine cost? If you have started online, you have probably seen prices ranging from a few $1,000s to well over $50,000. Some look surprisingly cheap, while others seem unbelievably expensive. So how do you know which one is actually worth the investment? Here is the truth that many suppliers will tell you. The purchase price is only a small part of the investment. What really matters is how much revenue the machine can generate over the next 5 or 10 years. The business owner contact Go&Go, they often ask us for the price first. But before we talk about numbers, we always ask a different question. What kind of business are you building? Are you adding a car wash to an existing gas station, expanding your repair garage, upgrading a parking facility, or starting a complete new car wash business? Because the right solution depends on your business goal, not just your budget. The Go&Go automatic car wash system is designed as a commercial investment, not simply a piece of equipment. It combines high-pressure pre-wash technology, soft body brushes that clean safely without damaging paint, dedicated wheel cleaning process, and an optional undercarriage wash for vehicles exposed to mud, sand, and road salt. Business looking to deliver a premium customer experience can also add an air drying system, allowing vehicles to leave clean, dry, and ready to drive within minutes. More importantly, the machine is built for continuous commercial operation. It delivers consistent wash quality from the first vehicle of the day to the last. One operator can supervise the entire process, reducing labor costs while increasing productivity. Water, detergent, and electricity consumption are carefully managed, helping owners control operating expense over the long term. So how much does it cost? The better question is this: how much value does it create? A lower price machine may save money today, but frequent maintenance, inconsistent wash quality, or limited capacity could cost much more over time. On the other hand, investing in a reliable commercial system means fewer interruptions, happier customers, and a business that continues generating income year after year. At Go&Go, we don't believe every customer needs the same machine. That's why we provide customized quotation based on your available space, expected vehicle volume, referral feeder, and business objective. This ensures you are investing in the right system instead of paying your feeder you don't need, or missing feeder you will wish you had later. If you are serious about entering the automatic car wash business, don't make your decision based on price alone. Compare build quality, operating costs, after-sales support, warranty, and long-term profitability. Those are the factors that determine whether your investment success. Contact Go&Go today for the latest prices, personalized recommendation, and a detailed return on investment consultation. Our team will help you choose the solution that fits your business today and continue creating value for many years to come.